Welcome back to the channel, luxury lovers and car enthusiasts. Today, we're stepping into a world of handcrafted excellence, performance, and British prestige, the 2026 Bentley Flying Spur. This is not just a car. It's a statement of power and elegance, a seamless blend of luxury craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. The Flying Spur has always represented the perfect harmony between grand touring comfort and exhilarating performance, and in 2026, Bentley takes that perfection even further. So sit back, relax, and let's explore every luxurious detail of the 2026 Bentley Flying Spur, a car that turns every drive into an event. Body panels. The 2026 Bentley Flying Spur features a beautifully sculpted body, crafted primarily from lightweight aluminum panels using Bentley's superforming process. This technology allows for seamless curves and sharp lines without joints or imperfections, giving the car a fluid, muscular stance. From the elongated bonnet to the sculpted rear haunches, every surface has been refined in the wind tunnel to balance aerodynamics with elegance. The soft, flowing lines exude sophistication, while the strong shoulder creases communicate power and presence. Bentley's attention to detail is second to none. Even the doors feel solid and reassuring when closed, a testament to craftsmanship and precision engineering. Headlights. Up front, the Flying Spur boasts crystal-cut LED matrix headlights that shimmer like fine jewelry. Inspired by the look of cut crystal glass, each headlight refracts light in a mesmerizing pattern, even when turned off. These adaptive matrix lights adjust automatically to road conditions, weather, and traffic, ensuring maximum visibility without dazzling other drivers. The headlamps also feature a welcome animation when the car is unlocked, a signature Bentley flourish that makes every interaction feel special. Taillights. At the rear, the Flying Spur's elliptical 3D LED taillights offer a striking finish. Their jewel-like design glows with depth and sophistication, featuring a distinctive B motif pattern when illuminated. Beyond aesthetics, these taillights improve rear visibility, adapting brightness dynamically based on ambient lighting conditions. The seamless integration into the sculpted rear fascia creates a bold yet elegant rear profile that's instantly recognizable as Bentley. Grille. Dominating the front is the iconic Bentley Matrix grille, now more upright and assertive, symbolizing both authority and refinement. Crafted from polished chrome or optional black gloss, the grille integrates active air flaps that open to cool the engine and close at high speeds for improved aerodynamics. Crowning it all is the illuminated Flying V emblem, electronically retractable when locked, a stunning combination of craftsmanship and innovation that defines Bentley's modern identity. Seats. Step inside, and you enter a sanctuary of opulence. The seats in the 2026 Flying Spur are individually hand-stitched from the finest Scottish leather, available in a palette of 15 colors with custom embroidery and diamond quilting. Each seat features 22-way power adjustment, heating, ventilation, and a new massage function with 6 customizable modes. The headrests are plush and supportive, while the rear cabin feels like a first-class lounge, offering reclining, memory, and even footrest adjustments. Bentley's new Comfort Suite package introduces climate-controlled armrests and heated door panels, wrapping passengers in absolute comfort. Dashboard. The dashboard showcases Bentley's mastery of materials. Handcrafted wood veneers, knurled metal accents, and leather wrapping blend perfectly to create a timeless yet modern ambiance. At the center lies the rotating display, a marvel of design that flips between a 12.3-inch digital touchscreen, a trio of analog dials, or a minimalist veneer panel at the touch of a button. It's luxury that adapts to your mood. Digital innovation when you want it, traditional elegance when you don't. The dashboard design also improves visibility and flow, giving the driver a commanding yet calming perspective of the road ahead. Infotainment System. The infotainment system in the 2026 Flying Spur is powered by Bentley's latest connected drive interface, featuring a 13.1-inch HD touchscreen with intuitive haptic feedback and over-the-air software updates. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands, all seamlessly integrated with the car's navigation, music, and vehicle settings. Rear passengers enjoy their own touchscreen remote tablets, controlling everything from climate and entertainment to window shades and seat functions. The audio experience is breathtaking, thanks to the Naim for Bentley Premium sound system, offering 2,200 watts of crystal-clear sound through 19 precisely tuned speakers. Steering wheel. The steering wheel continues Bentley's theme of perfection. Wrapped in the finest leather and hand-stitched to perfection, it features heating, multi-function controls, and elegant chrome accents. New capacitive sensors ensure smooth interaction, while the wheel's feedback adjusts automatically based on drive mode, providing comfort in cruising and precision during spirited driving. It's not just a control interface, it's an experience of pure craftsmanship in your hands. Engine. Under the hood, the 2026 Flying Spur offers Bentley's most refined powertrain yet, a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 delivering an astonishing 542 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and Bentley's active all-wheel drive, it glides from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, despite being a large luxury sedan. The engine operates with near-silent smoothness in comfort mode, while unleashing a deep, muscular growl in sport mode, a balance between tranquility and raw power that defines Bentley performance. Hybrid option. For 2026, Bentley expands its hybrid lineup with the Flying Spur Hybrid, featuring a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 paired with an advanced electric motor for a combined 536 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. This plug-in hybrid offers up to 40 miles of all-electric range, making it perfect for urban commutes while maintaining the effortless grand touring power Bentley is known for. The transition between electric and gas power is virtually seamless, with the electric motor providing instant torque and quiet startup, and the V6 taking over for longer drives with graceful strength. Airbags. Safety remains at the core of Bentley's engineering. The 2026 Flying Spur features 12 airbags strategically placed to protect all occupants. This includes front, side, curtain, and knee airbags, providing 360 degrees coverage in case of impact. Combined with an ultra-rigid passenger cell and advanced collision avoidance systems, Bentley ensures that every drive is as safe as it is luxurious. Parking assist. Despite its size, the Flying Spur makes parking effortless thanks to the 360 degrees surround view camera system, ultrasonic sensors, and automated parking assist. The new Smart Park function can even guide the car into tight spots autonomously. You simply step out and let the Flying Spur park itself. This system also includes front and rear cross-traffic alerts and a night vision camera, enhancing safety in all environments. Battery. In the hybrid version, the Flying Spur features a 14.1 kWh lithium-ion battery, efficiently packaged under the rear floor to maintain balance and trunk space. It charges rapidly and offers regenerative braking, recapturing energy during deceleration. This battery not only powers the electric drive but also supports the car's 48-volt system for smoother suspension control and better fuel economy. Lighting. Inside, Bentley introduces customizable ambient lighting with 30 color options that subtly illuminate the cabin's contours. The lighting adjusts automatically with drive modes, from calm blue tones in comfort to dynamic red in sport. Exterior lighting, including the headlamps and taillights, is adaptive and energy efficient, combining functionality with artistry to ensure the Flying Spur is as visible as it is beautiful, day or night. Charging. For the hybrid version, charging is simple and efficient. Using a 7.2 kilowatts home wall box, the battery can be fully charged in about 2.5 hours. Public fast charging compatibility ensures flexibility, and Bentley's My Bentley app allows owners to schedule charging times, monitor battery levels, and pre-condition the cabin remotely. Trunk space. Practicality meets luxury with a trunk capacity of 14.8 cubic feet, offering ample room for luggage or golf bags. The wide, low opening makes loading effortless, and the hands-free power trunk lid adds convenience for owners who expect the best in every detail. Folding seats. Though the Flying Spur prioritizes passenger comfort, the rear seats can fold partially forward to extend the trunk space, accommodating longer items. Bentley's engineers have managed this flexibility without compromising the sound insulation or refinement of the cabin. Roof rails. While the Flying Spur maintains a sleek, coupe-like silhouette, Bentley offers discreet, detachable roof mounts for those who require extra luggage carrying capacity. These can accommodate bespoke Bentley roof boxes or travel cases, all designed to match the car's refined aesthetic. Price. The 2026 Bentley Flying Spur starts at approximately $230,000 USD, while the hybrid model begins around $245,000 USD. Of course, as with every Bentley, personalization is limitless, with bespoke Mulliner customization options easily taking the price well beyond $300,000. Release date. The 2026 Bentley Flying Spur will officially arrive in dealerships worldwide in late 2025, with deliveries beginning in early 2026. And there you have it. The 2026 Bentley Flying Spur, a masterpiece that redefines what it means to travel in style. It's not just a luxury sedan. It's a symbol of craftsmanship, performance, and presence that only Bentley can deliver. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the Flying Spur, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more luxury car reviews and exclusive automotive insights. Thanks for watching. And remember, in a world full of cars, there's only one Bentley. Where power meets poetry, and every mile feels like art. Checkered flag.